Everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad to have you here. In today's video we are going to talk extensively about Arnica, how it has helped me, and also the most recent research in regards to using Arnica for banishing bruises, for eliminating all sorts of aches, from bruises to carpal tunnel syndrome to foot pain, sprains and shin splints, as well as many more. So stay tuned. In this short video we'll be talking to you about the power of Arnica. So Arnica, as we said, is one of the most popular homeopathic remedy. I've talked about Arnica extensively in the last video. I will include a link to that video in the description box below. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch it, because it provides you with the foundation knowledge about Arnica. This one goes more extensively about its uses as well as about the research as well. So Arnica, we did say, has received the approval from Germany's Commission E, as well as many other associations, regarding its use as a external treatment for bruises as well as muscle aches and pains. You need to make sure to never take Arnica internally as a plant, only when it has been approved as a homeopathic remedy in either gel, tincture form or pellets, as you can see right here. So Arnica has been known to help in healing bruises. So Arnica erases bruises by helping the body to reabsorb the blood that has seeped into the tissue. So a cream or ointment containing about 5 to 25% Arnica extract, applied several times a day, helps in reducing the pain and the swelling, along with the ugly dark purple bloom that usually is associated with swelling and pain and bruising. So if you prefer to use the tincture form, you need to mix 1 part tincture with 3 to 10 parts water, and you need to soak a clean cloth in the liquid and apply it to the bruise. So 2 of the chemicals in Arnica, heleniline and dihydrohenylene, I will include the names of the 2 chemicals in the description box below if you guys are interested, because the last one's quite hard to pronounce. They both have pain-killing and anti-inflammatory properties when absorbed through the skin externally. So you can also take 1 or 2 tablets of the homeopathic remedy. As you can see here, the Arnica one, you can use that 1 or 2 tablets, Arnica 30C, as soon as possible after you've bumped yourself, to minimize the bruising, and then you go ahead by following the dosage instructions on the label. So Arnica 30C strength, 1 or 2 tablets as soon as you've bumped yourself. Also perfect for kids as well. You might want to start with 1 pellet, and make sure to always ask your local homeopath about the safety of using homeopathic remedies for children. Also, Arnica has been known in soothing sprains and strains. So because it curbs inflammation in general, Arnica is perfect for treating mild sprains. So it may also improve the circulation in general, increasing the flow of healing nutrients into the sore. Arnica is also amazing when it comes to relieving the pain, because it even though it helps internally, also helps externally. You need to also make sure to not use Arnica on broken or inflamed skin. Arnica is also great for soothing or helping sore feet. So if your feet are hurt by the end of the day, try soaking them in a warm foot bath, which you've all added 1 teaspoon of Arnica tincture, and then you add that to the foot bath. Works amazing. Another thing you can also try to use is you can also try to use some Epsom salt, great for foot pain as well. Epsom salt with water. You can also add some sea salt in there. You can add magnesium flakes. You can go in with any of the essential oils that are also known to relieve the pain, that are also antifungal, that will also help de-stress the body and just give you the magnesium and replenish the minerals that you've lost through many of the activities that you do. So one thing I would like to know about Arnica is it's rare to have side effects from Arnica, but if you are allergic to heleniline, it's one of the active chemicals in Arnica, then you need to make sure to not use Arnica unless approved by a homeopath, because it can cause you to have contact dermatitis in some cases if you are allergic to Arnica or you are allergic to the same flower family. So make sure to always consult the homeopath, make sure to always keep informed and aware on the latest research. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you are interested more about extensive videos, short and simple ones about the homeopathic remedies. If you've used any homeopathic remedies, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know, what was your experience? What did you use? Has it helped? What is your experience overall? I'd love to hear from you. If you're new to the channel, you enjoyed the content of the video, subscribe. Love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.